Hello besties, today I'm going to be taking down all of my Valentine's decor. Finally, I feel like it took me so long to take it down. We are already in March and I'm barely taking it down. I have all of my Easter decor just right here in the corner right next to me. I actually started to kind of decorate and see where I wanted to put things, and I have an idea. I kind of want to make like a fence or something to put right here where I have those arches. So I'm gonna see if I can get some pallets, or if not, I'll just head on over to Home Depot and purchase some new wood. But if I could get some free pallets, I think I'm gonna try to make like a little fence.
The buzz on you, my favorite song is playing in a Broadway bar. Then you walk in and you're all alone, the hottest in the room by far. And you look up and our eyes lock, and my heart falls straight out of my chest, baby. Your lips and your sweet smile, let me kiss it till I die. For the rest of our lives, yes, you and me were meant to be. For the rest of our lives, drop your guard.
I love how beautiful the tulips look. The pink and the white together look so pretty.
And I got what you need. For the rest of our lives, it's gonna be.
We had just finished having dinner, so I just wanted to clean up a little bit. My kitchen wasn't that big of a mess like other days when I cook, but I want to show you guys how my table looks on a daily basis. I know that when I do my dining table decor and I show you guys that, I have all of my plates and I can have like glassware and my silverware, but on a day-to-day basis, this is just how I have it. I'll have my charger on here and my placemat, and sometimes I will actually take off my tablecloth once it gets dirty. Sometimes I won't put it back. It just depends on how I feel, if I want to put it back right away. If not, I'll just wait for a few days until I feel like ironing it again, and then I'll put it back on the table.
To be. For the rest of our lives, drop your guard and take a ride with me, 'cause you got what I want, oh, and I got what you need. For the rest of our lives, it's gonna be a done deal, just wait and see. I've known it since I met you, this love, it was a breakthrough. For the rest of our days, we'll be everything we want to be. For the rest of our lives. For the rest of our lives, yes, you and me were meant to be. For the rest of our lives, drop your guard and take a ride with me, 'cause you got what I want, oh, and I got what you need. For the rest of our lives, it's gonna.
I'm just going to be refilling my chocolate milk and sugar, and also my flour container. I go through so much flour. My kids have gotten used to me making them flour tortillas. They are no longer liking the store-bought flour tortillas. So sometimes they'll be late and they'll be wanting to eat like a quesadilla. So like 10 at night, I'll be over here making tortillas for them. I really enjoy cooking for them. I love cooking homemade meals for them. I just enjoy that time together. And also from time to time, they'll help me. So I really enjoy that as well.
I'm breathing in the last of September. I can feel the wind blow, and the late summer sky is like a giant ember. Everything is turning into gold when the autumn leaves are playing chase. It puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some since I was a little child. Every year for as long as I remember, all the leaves were running wild, going all the way until November. Turn the world around us into gold. When the autumn leaves are playing chase it, puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are...
I want you guys to see my stove. I was talking to you guys about how stained it was. When I first moved here, I told you guys that they had left this stove behind and it was so dirty, you guys. Like, they had never cleaned it. So I cleaned it as much as I could, but I could never remove those stains. I thought they were there permanently, and I was at Target the other day and I picked up some Barkeeper's Friend. And I scrubbed and scrubbed, you guys, until I started noticing that I could see the bottom, like the white of the actual stove. I was so happy. It did take me, I would probably say, like an hour. I let it soak, and then I would scrub it, and then again I would add some more. So after my hands got tired, I kind of quit. But I am gonna keep doing this from time to time. I want to try to do it once a week, just to see if I can get it really nice and clean. But you guys, that was like a miracle. Like, it cleaned it so well. I had never purchased Barkeeper's Friend, but it's like my favorite thing now. I love it. When I was cleaning my stove the other day, I was not wearing gloves because I couldn't find them, and my hands started to peel and they were feeling very rough. So I decided to put on one of these little gloves because I couldn't find my like kitchen gloves. I don't know what they're called, but like the ones that go up to kind of your elbow. So I'm just gonna wear this little glove just to protect my hands.
Last days of September.
If you are anything like me, then right about now, you're asking yourself.
Look how nice my stove is looking. I'm so happy I was able to clean it this much. I honestly thought those stains were there permanently. Even like the scratches that the stove had, you guys, I don't know. That Barkeeper's Friend is a miracle worker. I am even scrubbing my pots with that. It is so nice to see how clean it leaves things.
Step it up a notch. We can do it. We can get it done.
Every time I wash my dishes, I like to pre-wash them before putting them in the dishwasher because my dishwasher doesn't clean them on its own. I feel like every time I take them out, if I don't pre-wash, they're kind of dirty. So I like to scrub them down before I let the dishwasher wash them. But I still like to put them in there. I feel like it kind of sanitizes it because it gets like really hot. But if I was to put my dishes in there just like this, they wouldn't get cleaned. I always like to scrub them down, take the food off, and on the cups I always like to wash the mouth area, like where you drink out of. And I love to also clean my forks and spoons and utensils. Well, basically everything, you guys. I scrub everything down before I add it to my dishwasher to wash.
And do us don't watch. Watch us don't do. So let's step it up a notch. We can do it. We can get it done. And do us don't watch.
On to the fun part. I'm now going to decorate these shelves that I have around my TV. All of this decor I already had. I haven't purchased that much decor for spring or Easter this year. I think the new things that I did purchase I used in my kitchen.
I'm breathing in the last of September. I can feel the wind blow, and the late summer sky is like a giant ember. Everything is turning into gold. When the autumn leaves are playing chase, it puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low, dancing through the last days of September. Since I was a little child, every year for as long as I remember, all the leaves were running wild, going all the way until November. Turn the world around us into gold. When the autumn leaves are playing chase, it puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low, dancing through the last days of September. I wonder where they're going, the flight of swallows sailing through the sky. There's no way of knowing, but maybe someplace far from you and I. When the autumn leaves are playing chase, it puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low, dancing through the last days of September. When the autumn leaves are playing chase, it puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one.
I think that both sides came out really beautiful. I really love the big bunnies that I have here. I think the only thing I might add is some greenery, but I think the little chicks are so cute. Look how beautiful and fun they make the whole area look.
Dancing through the last days of September.
The last thing that I need to do is finish putting away the Valentine's decor. So this little spot right here is where I kind of hide the extra decor that I didn't use. So that's why you kind of see a big mess right here. And I just kept adding the Valentine's decor that I needed to put away from other areas of my house. So I'm just gonna do that. And those bags right there that are under the table, that's just extra paper that I have. I actually need to open up those bags and flatten that out so I can put that in my laundry room so I can have it all nice and clean.
Drops falling. It's cold outside, and I kind of feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. such a constellation, right? No, you'd agree. Made a reputation for ourselves at age 18. We had the devil on our shoulders telling us what we should do. I wonder if you think about me too. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. Oh, I miss you. Oh, I miss you. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep. I'm just not tired. I can hear the
That's all for this video, my friends. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, besties.
but it's too